Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock incandescent license plate bulbs on this 2014 Ford Fusion with our plug-and-play LED upgrades. Installation could not be simpler and only takes a few minutes using basic hand tools. Let's get started. To get started with the installation of our LED license plate bulbs, we'll pop the trunk to give us access to the bulb housing. Then using a screwdriver or a trim removal tool, you'll push on the little black tab on the inside of either license plate bulb housing. Once you have the housing out, turn the bulb counterclockwise to loosen it. Then remove your stock license plate light bulb. And simply plug in your Diode Dynamics LED replacement. Put it back in the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it. When you're ready to reinsert the license plate bulb housing, make sure that you insert these two tabs on the left side first, and then it'll just snap into place. And then repeat the same steps on the other side to finalize your installation. With our LED license plate bulbs installed, you can see that this is an inexpensive upgrade that makes a big difference in the overall appearance of your car. For more information on our LED license plate bulbs, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.